Although the oceans are wide and full of wonders, there once existed a creature that held the title of the biggest and scariest sea monster ever. We are referring to a megalodon that was virtually the size of a shark approximately 2.6 million years ago. This monster was so large that it could hands engulf a person in one gulp. Its missing teeth were once the size of a regular human hand, and its jaws could produce up to 18,000 newtons of force. But just how big was this prehistoric predator? Well, let's put it this way. Megalodon made the unconfined white shark squint like a mere minnow. It's unscientific that the megalodon could grow up to 60 feet in length, scrutinizingly 3 times the size of an unconfined white. Imagine a creature the size of a school bus, swimming towards you with jaws wide unshut. It's unbearable to requite anyone's nightmares. Megalodon weighs big tooth in Greek, referring to the species' massive teeth that could reach up to 7 inches in length. Based on fossil evidence, Megalodon is unscientific to have grown up to 60 feet long, making it one of the largest predators to swim in the oceans. It existed between 23 and 2.6 million years ago during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs. It had a zest gravity of up to 18 tons, which was increasing than twice as powerful as that of a modern-day unconfined white shark. It was not only a fearsome predator, but it was moreover a scavenger. Its powerful jaws enabled it to crush the wreck of its prey, making it easier to consume. Numerous marine animals, including whales and dolphins, are thought to have been among the prey that Megalodon may have consumed. Megalodon most likely had a warm-blooded metabolism, permitting it to tend to see its soul temperature and swim for lengthy periods of time at upper speeds. Megalodon may have been worldly unbearable to swim up to 25 miles per hour despite its enormous size. Megalodon still catches our sustentation and fascinates us despite stuff extinct for millions of years. And it's not difficult to understand why. The idea of a massive, prehistoric shark lurking in the depths of the ocean is unbearable to send shivers long ago anyone's spine. So join us as we swoop deep into the world of Megalodon and explore its weird size, terrifying power, and ultimate demise. The Megalodon, a massive prehistoric shark that lived during the Pleistocene era, has long captured the imagination of people virtually the world. Some have speculated that Megalodon could still be working today considering its unproven size, which might have reached 60 feet. But is there any understructure for this assertion? Although sightings and purported proof of Megalodon's former existence have been recorded, none of it has been independently validated by science. The scientific polity agrees that Megalodon vanished over 2.6 million years ago, probably as a result of climate changes and unthriving prey numbers. One of the primary pieces of vestige used to support the idea that Megalodon still exists is the presence of large, unexplained zest marks on the persons of modern-day unconfined white sharks. Some have argued that these zest marks could only have been made by a creature the size of a megalodon. However, experts have noted that there are other possible explanations for these zest marks, such as interactions between unconfined whites or attacks by other unknown species. Another treatise for the unfurled existence of Megalodon is the fact that our oceans remain largely unexplored, and there may be unknown species living in the depths. While it's certainly possible that there are undiscovered creatures lurking in the depths of our oceans, there is no vestige to support and suggest that Megalodon is among them. While the idea of a giant prehistoric shark still swimming in our oceans may be enticing, the vestige simply doesn't support it. The Megalodon is a fascinating and impressive creature, but it is moreover a relic of the past, one that has left a legacy in the fossil record and in our imaginations. The extinction of Megalodon, the largest prehistoric shark that orally lived, has long been a topic of debate and speculation among scientists and the unstipulated public. Some theories suggest that Megalodon may have gone extinct due to changes in the ocean's environment, such as a wave in sea levels or subtraction in prey availability. Others propose that competition with other marine predators, such as killer whales or other sharks, may have played a role in their disappearance. One proposition suggests that a supernova explosion that occurred approximately 2.6 million years ago could have unauthentic the Earth's climate and led to Megalodon's extinction. This theory is based on the discovery of iron-60 deposits, which are typically found in outer space, in sediment layers from the same time period. However, this theory is still debated among scientists and there is no conclusive vestige to support it. Another factor that may have supported Megalodon's extinction is the rise of a new group of whales during the Miocene epoch, which provided competition for Megalodon's main supply source, marine mammals. As these new whales evolved and diversified, they became increasingly successful at outcompeting other marine predators, including Megalodon. Despite the various theories proposed, the word-for-word rationalization of Megalodon's extinction remains a mystery. Nevertheless, scientists protract to study this fascinating creature, using new technologies and techniques to uncover clues about its life and eventual demise. Through these ongoing efforts, we may someday be worldly wise to unlock these secrets due to the disappearance of one of the most remarkable creatures to have orally lived. Megalodon, the giant prehistoric shark, and modern-day unconfined white sharks are both predators that rule the oceans. However, there are significant differences between the two species. Size is the most obvious difference. Megalodon was one of the largest predators to orally exist, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet, while unconfined white sharks typically grow to 20 feet in length. Megalodon's teeth were moreover much larger than those of the unconfined white, measuring up to 7 inches in length compared to the unconfined white's maximum tooth size of well nigh 3 inches. The flip side difference is the distribution and habitat of the two species. Megalodon is believed to have roamed the world's oceans, while unconfined white sharks are found in coastal waters and some unshut ocean regions. Unconfined whites are moreover known for their worthiness to violate the surface, while there is no vestige that Megalodon was capable of this behavior. Nutrition is the flip side zone of the difference between these two species. While both were predators, Megalodon likely fed on large marine mammals, such as whales and dolphins, while unconfined white sharks typically feed on smaller prey such as fish and seals. In terms of behavior, there is little information misogynist of Megalodon's social structure or mating habits, while unconfined white sharks have been extensively studied in these areas. Unconfined white sharks are moreover known for their curious and sometimes warlike policies towards humans, while there is no vestige that Megalodon orally interacted with humans. While Megalodon and unconfined white sharks share some similarities as predators, their size, habitat, diet, and policies differ significantly. In conclusion, Megalodon was undoubtedly one of the most fascinating and weird creatures to have orally roamed the oceans. Its enormous size, powerful jaws, and ferocious nature make it an incredible creature to study and learn about. Megalodon went extinct virtually 2.6 million years ago, possibly due to changes in ocean temperature and supply availability. It continues to capture the public imagination and has been featured in numerous books, films, and TV shows. Its legacy lives on through the myriad fossils and remains that have been discovered over the years. We have learned an unconfined deal well nigh this wondrous, unprepossessing, by probing into the mysteries surrounding its existence and extinction, contrasting it with trendy sharks, and considering its role in the natural world. Megalodon may never be proven to be extinct, but we can imagine the effects it had on the planet and part it played in influencing the environment of the ocean. As we are learning and discovering increasingly well nigh the natural world virtually us, we can only hope to uncover increasing secrets and mysteries surrounding creatures like Megalodon. Its legacy will protract to inspire scientists and enthusiasts through to study and fathom the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So let us marvel at the sheer power and majesty of Megalodon and protract to explore the vast and wondrous world that exists underneath the waves.